Welcome to my Abacus English tutorial. We are doing multiplication on the Abacus. This is technique number 4, episode 4, and was my first episode, technique number 1 episode for the basic rules about the multiplication on the Abacus. Without that, it's going to be a little confused. So let's take a very short recap of techniques number 1, 2, and 3. So 39 multiplied by 6 is according to technique number 1. So this is my marked rod. We have 3 digits in our question, so we have to start from this 1, 2, 3. This rod, 6 3s are 18, so this one 18. 1 and 8. So 1 is goes to this pointed rod and 8 goes to this rod. Pointed rods is 10th positions, and this one is first position. And change your finger after pressing one answer. So next is 6 multiplied by 9. 6 9s are 54. So 5 in this rod, 4 in this rod. This is 100. Add 100 and reduce 50 for to add 50, and for 4 you have to 4 here, and your answer is 2 3 4. Next, 11 multiplied by 7. This is technique number 2. So 1 2 3 digits, 1 2 3, you have to start from here. 7 1 is 7. So if you have only one digit in your answer, you have to put 0 in front of the answer, and 0 goes to this rod and 7 goes to this rod. This is technique number 2. 7 1, again 7 1 is 7, so 0 7 0 and 7, and change this finger, and your answer is 77. 81 multiplied by 3. This is technique number 3. 3 digits, 1 2 3 digits, we have to start from here. 8 3s are 24, so 2 is this rod and 4 this rod. Change your position. 3 1 is 3, so 3 is only one digit, put 0 in front of it. 0 and 3. Change your finger, and this is our answer, 2 4 3. So let's move to our today's technique. So let's start from the exercises. 29 multiplied by 3. 3 digits, 1 2 3. So start from here. 3 2s are 6. So we did here, if you have only one digit in your answer, you have to put 0. So 6 is only one digit, you have to put 0 in front of that. So 0 6, and press one answer. Move your finger down side. 3 9s are 27. 2 goes to this rod and 7 goes to this rod, and change your position. We finished. Our answer is 8 and 7 87. 13 multiplied by 7. 3 digits, 3 digits. 7 1 is 7, so 7 is only one digit. 0 7 0 7. Next, 7 3s are 21. 2 and 1. Change. Your answer is 9 1 91. Next, 38 multiplied by 2. 3 digits, 1 2 3 digits. 3 2s are 6. 0 6 0 6. Change position. 8 2s are 16. 1 6 1 and 6. Change your position, and your answer is 7 6 76. 14 multiplied by 4. 3 digits, 3 digits. 4 1 is 4. 0 4, and change your position. 4 4s are 16. 1 6. So we have to add 1 here and 6 here, but look, all the 4 bits, downside bits, are moving, so we need only 1 here, so you have to borrow this 5. So to add 1, borrow 5, and 1 is friend of 4, you have to reduce this 4. We added 1 here and 6 is this rod. Change your position and answer is 5, 6, 56. To do multiplication on the abacus, you have to be mastered on your subtraction and addition technique on the abacus. Without that, this is not so easy. So please watch my addition and subtraction episodes also. Please check my playlist and you can watch that episode in 3 different languages. I'm not good enough for those languages, but I am trying my best to explain about the techniques and rules, and I'm giving more exercises to understand. So please forgive my bad English, bad Nepali, bad Japanese, bad Hindi. So let's move to another question. 26 multiplied by 2. 3 digits, 2 2s are 4. 4 means 0, 4. 4, change your position. 2, 6 are 12. 1 to 12, so 1 goes to this dot and 2 goes to this dot. But look here, you don't have 1 value bits remaining here. So how to borrow 5 technique for the addition and subtraction. So you are going to add 1 here. So to add 1, borrow 5 and reduce 4. We added 1 here and 2 goes to this rod and change, and your answer is 5 to 52. Please do these exercises by yourself, and if you have any questions, any comments, please comment to me. I will definitely answer that. And if you don't understand how to do, please comment me. I will make another video for these questions and post for you, only for you. And keep learning. See you in the next video. Tata.